Dinimulis mo talaga yung beam at saka yung wall para makapasok yung waterline mo? Anong klaseng plumber ka? Hindi ka ba nag-iisip? Joke lang po. Tatlong bagay na matutunan natin sa picture na to. Number 1, yung pag-chipping, demolish ng structural members natin such as girder, beam, column is a violation of the building codes of the Philippines unless otherwise approved by approving authorities. Yung potential rest nito, loads, it will affect the structural integrity of the building. It will cause major possible collapse ng building natin. So, ganito lang, loads, simplihan natin yung explanation. Yung structural members ng building, loads, is parang buto lang yan ng katawan natin, yung skeletal natin, ito. Now, kung na-fracture, nabasag, nawasak yung mga buto-buto natin dyan, no? Nasira yung mga buto-buto natin dyan. So, ano yung mangyayari sa katawan natin? So, possible na magko-collapse yung katawan natin, di ba? Hindi na natin magamit na maayos yan. So, simastro lang din yan sa building natin, loads. Yung presensya ng supervisor, so mga pa-engineer, foreman, leadman, architect, yung personnel na may expertise ganitong activity is napaka-importante para maiwasan yung ganitong major defects, workmanship issues. Number 3, para maiwasan, malimit o ma-prevent yung reoccurrence ng ganitong defect or workmanship issue. So mahalaga na prior to start of works, yung mga workers, yung mga tao na mag-involve sa ganitong activity is ma-orient sila regarding dito sa plano, design and standard, qualities issues, mga lesson learned, and at the same time, loads, is importante yung awareness nila sa plano. So yun lang, loads. Follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye.